You can produce a YouTube video that could change the world, but unless you're taking the proper steps to optimize its searchability, nobody will see it. Let's not allow that to happen. Hello world, and welcome to another one of Visme's videos where we try to change the world by teaching you proper presentation, design, and branding practices. My name is Mike Ploger, and in this video, we're diving into the practice of reaching the largest audience possible through search engine optimization, otherwise known as SEO. You can take days or even months to produce a high quality video with valuable information, high entertainment value, interesting insight, you name it. But if you don't take the time to do the work inside of YouTube, or even before you get to YouTube, your video will have an uphill battle trying to get views. In this video, we'll share 15 tips you should always consider when preparing to upload to the video hosting giant so you can sit back and watch your views soar. Shall we? Finding the best keywords and inputting them into your post is crucial. How do you do so? Well, it's really quite easy. You start by entering one word into YouTube's search bar, and YouTube will provide a collection of similar keywords to what you typed in. They're provided because of what other YouTubers have typed in themselves, so you know that they're popular. Then decide which keywords are best for your title. You should do the same thing with your video tags. Take advantage of that area where you can enter tags, and don't just stop at 3, 4, or 5 tags. Enter as many as you possibly can that relate to your topic. You have 500 characters to add tags, so take advantage of that space. And if you have a channel full of videos already, take advantage of YouTube's traffic source. This is a report that will show you what your past viewers are searching for, making it easier for them to find your latest videos if they're not already subscribed. Try to find those keywords too that aren't as popular if you're a channel that isn't as popular. You don't want to get buried underneath those videos produced by accounts with massive followings. Until you're at that point and you have thousands of subscribers yourself, use the keywords with less competition. Oh, and try Google too. YouTube videos will sometimes come up in a Google search. Another reason to try this search in Google first, and then include specific keywords in your title. When it comes to your title, description, and tags, there's some helpful tips I want you to keep in mind. First, your title should be a minimum of 5 words. And of course, it should contain some of your keywords. Try and do this without fluffing your title too much. YouTube will notice the keywords and rank your video higher. For your description, you should include your keywords in the first 25 words. Overall, the description should consist of roughly 300 words, and you'll want to repeat those keywords throughout. The rule of thumb here is using the keywords 2 to 4 times throughout the description. And for your tags, make that first tag an exact target keyword, the one word that most resembles what your video is about. Then think of synonyms of that word and make them keywords as well. Then just simply input other words that your video covers. Don't be afraid to use too many tags. If you have to get creative, do it. Our third tip for getting your video to the top of the search results page is to get more comments. Why do you think people in their videos are begging for comments, subscriptions, and likes? It's to get their videos ranked higher, meaning more views, meaning more revenue. A clever way to get comments is by asking your audience a question at the end of the video. Get a discussion started yourself and encourage viewers to share their thoughts in the comments below. For subscribers, do the same thing. So just as I will at the end of this video, ask your viewers to subscribe to your channel with a simple click. It'll help your channel reach a bigger audience and your individual videos will receive a higher ranking. Any professionalism you have can be overlooked if you don't know how to produce a high quality video. You could be wearing a $1,000 suit in your video, but if the lighting is dark or you're recording in 720p resolution, people won't take you seriously. Take the time to train yourself in making a high quality video. You don't need a New York City studio or even an expensive video camera nowadays. You can produce 4K videos from your smartphone. Make sure the lighting is strong, invest in a tripod, and get a microphone. That's 3 easy tips to set you on your way to producing high quality videos and at not much cost at all. One of the biggest factors in someone deciding to watch a video is the thumbnail image. It's as important as the description, the title, any tags associated with the video. While it technically doesn't directly impact your SEO, it has an indirect relation through scrollers becoming viewers. You must design a thumbnail that drives curiosity and clues the audience in on what your video will be about. Rather than choose one of the options that YouTube automatically provides for you, design a thumbnail in Visme that looks like a professional made it. We have templates available for you right now to create a thumbnail just like this in just minutes. Adding captions may seem like a tedious task when you're uploading your video, but to put it frankly, it's not. For one, not all your viewers are able or want to watch videos with the sound on. Who's to say what setting your viewers are watching your video in? Captions might be necessary just for accessibility. And another reason is your transcript and the captions you add essentially become automatically keyword optimized for your topic. Then once you've transcribed your video and you input the captions, consider repurposing that transcript for another channel. See if you can write a blog post, create an infographic from the information, or add parts of that transcript to your description or a website that you may be posting on. While you're spending time writing out the transcript, it'll save time in other places. Taking advantage of YouTube's built-in link feature will greatly help your YouTube SEO. Not only should you be pushing links to other videos in your own videos, but always push your channel link as well. Whether in a video or in other social spaces, share that channel link as often as you can. Through these links, YouTube will be able to identify that you're an authority in your niche. Now, I basically just said this, but it deserves reiteration in a different form. Share your video on every platform you can think of. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it. Facebook will take your description and use an algorithm that will engage an audience that often interacts with those same keywords. It's more than just views, it's a strategy that you can continue to build on and grow for better SEO. Another great way to get more eyes on your videos is through email marketing. Don't just send an email though with a, "Hey, look at this" subject line. Find a way for a video to fit in subtly, like in a newsletter that you send out and your audience already expects. Speaking of embedding a video, you can do so in more than just an email. Do you have a blog or a website? Embed your video in there so it appears like it truly belongs as a part of that page. This is a better option than just providing a link, as it's easier for the viewer to watch as it's attached to your page. It'll again help you reach a larger audience and drive engagement. In the midst of producing your own videos, don't forget to keep an eye on the competitors. This doesn't mean to copy them, but if you notice keywords that they're using and their views are exploding, maybe you should use similar keywords. It's never a bad idea to peek over your shoulder to see what others are doing that's working. If your brain isn't working quite the way you want it to and you're stumped on what keywords to use, just take to YouTube's very own search bar. Start by typing in keywords that relate to what your video is about, and other words will automatically populate because YouTube thinks that they know what you're searching for. I mean, try searching YouTube SEO right now and see all the options you have to guide you. You can bet that we employed this strategy and used these words for this very video. Keeping a viewer engaged from start to finish is one of the sneaky ways to increase your SEO. YouTube keeps track of when viewers are tuning out. If they're turning you off in the first 30 seconds, your SEO is going way down. Write and produce your videos to keep viewers around for the entirety. This will let YouTube know you're producing high quality videos, helping your channel boost its performance. If you don't know how long people are watching your videos, YouTube can help. You can check engagement under the Channel Analytics tab that'll show you how long your viewers are watching your videos. You'll find all kinds of reports in the Channel Analytics section. Everything from subscribers gained or lost, how often your videos are being shared, where people are watching from geographically, and even more than that. Just go to your channel, click Manage Videos, and then find the Analytics tab on the left. And lastly, one of the best ways to ramp up that SEO and keep viewers engaged with your channel is intriguing intros and outros. You have just seconds to catch your viewers' attention and draw them in enough to keep watching. YouTube is a platform with practically a gazillion videos at this point. There's probably a video out there that's similar to yours, so you must write a catchy intro and outro for all of your videos. Your intro is meant to keep a viewer on your video, while the outro should be used as a guide to push viewers towards other videos of yours. You can actually use templates like this to let viewers know that they're one click away from more similar content. Want to see my outro? Well, allow me. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. I truly hope you learned something today, and if you did, you might want to check out our own channel where we have dozens more videos just like this one, meant to help you create better content. See, that wasn't so hard. Just don't forget to click that link and perhaps like this video too. We'd really appreciate it. Good luck with your YouTube adventures. Keep creating content and the results will come. We'll see you back here next time. For now, I'm Mike Ploger with Visme, helping you make information beautiful.